Is it a palace, a prison, or a royal zoo? The answer is actually all three. The Tower of London has worn many hats over the last 1,000 years. Here's how to navigate the massive fortress, spot the hidden history, and see the crown jewels in all their glory. The line to see the crown jewels is legendary, and it can take hours by midday. Get there just before the gates open at 9 a.m. and make a beeline straight to the jewel house. Free tours start near the main entrance every 30 minutes, led by real beefeaters. They're actual military veterans and incredible storytellers with tons of dramatic tales of the tower's past. Snap a pic with the iconic ravens that guard the tower. Just make sure you guard your snacks. Walk along the outer wall facing the river to spot Traitors Gate, which iconic figures like Anne Boleyn and Sir Thomas More used to enter the prison centuries ago. If you look closely, many of the stone walls are covered in graffiti, carved by infamous prisoners throughout history. Want the ultimate insider experience? Book tickets to watch the traditional locking up of the tower that happens every single night for the last 700 years. Be sure to book way ahead of time, since they sell out fast. If these tips helped you plan your London adventure, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful guides. Cheers!